Imagine if just a few carefully chosen words could instantly create a meaningful and almost magical connection with someone you are drawn to. It might sound far-fetched at first, but the truth is, language is incredibly powerful. When the right words are spoken at just the right moment, they can stir emotions, awaken curiosity, and spark attraction in ways most people never even realize. Today, I want to share something a little special, 6 subtle but impactful phrases that can help you stand out in a genuine and memorable way. These aren't just ordinary words, they tap into human psychology in a way that builds real chemistry. They're designed to help you create authentic connections, step out of the dreaded friend zone, and spark something that feels real. And just wait, because the final phrase I'll reveal is so powerful, most guys hesitate to use it. But the few who do, they often find themselves remembered long after the conversation ends. So stick around until the end, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with something simple yet deeply effective. That's what I like best about you. This phrase elevates a compliment beyond the usual surface level. Rather than saying something vague like, "You are pretty," it highlights something unique and personal. For example, try saying, "The way you talk about your goals is genuinely inspiring. You have this spark that's hard to ignore." See the difference? It's not just a compliment, it's a reflection of what makes her stand out. When someone feels seen for who they really are, not just how they look, it builds an emotional bridge that can't be faked. Use this phrase during moments of real connection, when she's laughing, opening up, or showing her true self. And most importantly, be sincere. A compliment that feels honest and specific lingers long after the words are said. Next up is a playful, confident line, "I'm not really that easy." Most guys try way too hard to please, thinking being overly available will win someone over. But when you say something like this, it sends a different message entirely. It shows that you value yourself, that you're not desperate for attention, and that you're not here to just go along with anything. It flips the usual dynamic and catches her attention in a way that feels fresh. The next time she flirts with you or teases you, say it with a smile, "I'm not that easy." She might raise an eyebrow and ask, "Oh yeah? So what do I have to do then?" That's your moment to keep things fun and mysterious. Say something like, "Maybe I'll tell you someday." Confidence, playfulness, and a little mystery, that's what makes it work. Here's another phrase that's packed with playful confidence, "I'm not sure you could handle me." This one invites a little challenge into the mix in a fun and light-hearted way. It gets her thinking, what makes him say that? What's he holding back? And suddenly, you've piqued her curiosity. The key here is all in the delivery. Say it with a relaxed smirk, especially if she's teasing or bragging a little. You're not being cocky, you're keeping things engaging and showing that you're not just going to roll over for anyone. It's about creating a dynamic where she feels intrigued and wants to show you she's got what it takes to keep up. That playful tension can turn a regular conversation into something way more exciting. Now here's one that really turns heads, "I don't think you're ready for me yet." This one works so well because it taps into something deep, our fear of missing out and the desire for what feels rare. Saying this phrase subtly suggests that you're a little different from the rest, that you bring something valuable to the table, and not everyone gets a seat. But again, the tone is everything. It should feel fun, not arrogant. Maybe she's teasing or making a bold statement, and you just smile and say, "That's cute, but I don't think you're ready for me yet." Suddenly, the roles are reversed, and she's wondering what it is about you that she hasn't seen yet. And once she starts trying to prove that she is ready, that's when the whole energy shifts in your favor. Another phrase that can leave a lasting impression is, "You have a really unique energy, I like that." This isn't just a nice thing to say, it's an invitation into something deeper. Most people are used to compliments about their looks or style, but when you highlight something more subtle, something that even they might not have noticed about themselves, it hits differently. Maybe it's how passionate she gets when she talks about something she loves, or the way she listens so fully in a conversation. When you mention things like that, it shows you are really paying attention. And when someone feels truly seen, they open up. Try this the next time you are talking with her. Say it casually, but with warmth and a touch of eye contact. The reaction might surprise you. And finally, here's one that shifts the whole dynamic. I like women who know what they want. This isn't just a compliment, it's a filter. Instead of trying to impress her with a generic answer when she asks what you are looking for, this response tells her that you value confidence and clarity. It says, I have standards. I'm not just here hoping for a chance, I'm also seeing if you meet what I'm looking for. That's powerful. It invites her to reflect, maybe even to rise to the challenge of showing you she's that kind of person. And when delivered with calm confidence, not arrogance, it naturally changes the energy between you. She'll begin to see you not as someone trying to win her over, but as someone she wants to win over herself. So, there you have it. These 6 phrases aren't just clever lines, they're tools to help you connect on a deeper level, to stand out, and to bring a sense of confidence and curiosity to your conversations. But always remember, it's not only about what you say, it's how you say it. Speak with ease, keep the energy light and engaging, and most of all, enjoy the moment. When you do that, everything else flows naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights like these. And the next video is already waiting for you. It takes these ideas even further and dives deep into the real art of attraction. Click now to watch, and I'll see you over there.